Welcome back to my channel. It's so good to have you here with me, and in today's video we are going to be exploring Centenary Park. This is an estate inside Centenary City, so I would want you to see what this estate looks like because you can only build bungalows inside this beautiful estate. Now in this estate we have just one plot of land left in this beautiful estate that is measuring 338 square meters. Now this is Centenary Park. Now inside the Centenary Park they have Divine Acres estate and so on inside here, but we are going to be touring this bungalow part of Centenary Park. Now this is amazing. As you can see, this place is very secure, safe and serene. The environment here is beautiful. So a plot of land here is measuring 338 square meters like I said, and it is currently selling for 26 million naira instead of 30 million naira. Now this is the perfect time for you to take advantage of this discount that is being given to you today. This is the only plot available for sale right now, and it is amazing what is going on here. A lot of people are building, a lot of people love this particular location. It is very perfect for your buy and build immediately. So if you're a bungalow lover like me, now is the best time for you to secure this amazing plot here in Centenary Park. So I am here for an inspection in Centenary Park, and two plots of land here have been sold per 30 million naira. And take a look at these beautiful bungalows around here. Now this estate is very serene and beautiful, very calm estate. Okay, so if you've been looking for a bungalow plot to buy here in Centenary City, this is the best option for you. So a plot of land here is measuring 338 square meters, and if you go ahead and call me right now, I will help you secure this plot for 26 million naira instead of 30 million naira. So make sure you don't miss out on this discount I'm offering you today, and call me right now on the number that is displayed on your screen. Let me help you secure this beautiful plot in this amazing and serene environment here in Centenary City. I mean, take a look at this beauty. Look at this. You can park your car by the side of the road if the space inside is not enough, but let's take this one as an example. As you can see, this is a beautiful bungalow here, and it is also measuring the same 338 square meters. And look at this. So this is the best opportunity for you to take advantage of this offer I am giving you today and secure this beautiful plot in Centenary City. Happy investing, and see you on the next one. Bye.